Welcome. If you're tired of seeing certain pins pop up in your Pinterest feed and want a cleaner, more personalized experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to stop specific pins from appearing in your Pinterest feed. This method is quick, easy, and gives you more control over what you see every time you open the app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will bring you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your boards, pins, and settings. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Home Feed Tuner. This is Pinterest's tool for customizing your feed. Tap on it to open up the options for adjusting what shows up as you scroll. Inside the Home Feed Tuner, you'll see a few different tabs. Tap on the one labeled Pins. This tab lets you review the pins that Pinterest has used to shape your feed recommendations. Now, here's where you can take action. Scroll through the pins and find any that you don't want to see more of. Next to each pin, you'll notice a small hide icon. Tap the hide icon next to any pin you want to remove. By doing this, you're telling Pinterest to stop showing you similar content in the future. That's it. With just a few taps, you can clean up your Pinterest feed and make sure you're only seeing pins that truly interest you. Remember, you can come back to the Home Feed Tuner anytime to update your preferences as your tastes change. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.